Hi. I'm Dark Bumblebee Bird. And today, I'm going to bash Mr. Super Incorporated for one's opinion on Animator Fan. Ha 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 ha. Mr. Super Incorporated for one. So you like Animator Fan in your opinion, huh? Well, guess what? I'm going to bash your opinion by saying this. Animator Fan sucks. Animator Fan sucks. He always gets my friends into trouble. Screw him, and screw you too, Mr. Super Incorporated for one. End of story.
Oh my freaking god, Dark Bumblebee Bird, how dare you bash my opinion on Animator Fan? You know you can't bash anyone's opinions like that. And you also know I really like Animator Fan. That's it. I'm calling your parents about this. Go home right now.
Dark Bumblebee Bird. We can't believe you bash Mr. Super Inc. for one's opinion on Animator Fan. You know you can't bash anyone's opinions like that. And plus, you know that Mr. Super Inc. for one likes Animator Fan. That's it. You're grounded for 13 days.
Now go to your room right now and really be ashamed of yourself. Or else we will send you to the mental people's home.
No.